Embrace the season of coughs and colds with the world's mightiest lung detox tea. With just a single cup, experience the near instantaneous embrace of its soothing essence. Within its depth lie the treasures of mullein, thyme, ginger, and more. These remarkable elements are a symphony of saponins, mucilage, flavonoids, and antioxidants, carefully combined to perfection. Let its harmonious blend liberate you from mucus. Whether clearing post-smoke or vape debris or weathering cough and cold season, this is your go-to this fall. Seize the chance to experience this transformation on Shop.